Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on compact mode on Facebook using your PC. Compact mode is a great way to declutter your screen and make your browsing experience more streamlined. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the Facebook website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Next, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Display and Accessibility. This will take you to a section where you can customize how Facebook looks and feels. Now, scroll down to find the Compact Mode setting. Under this option, you'll see a toggle or switch. Click it to turn Compact Mode on. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Compact Mode on Facebook. Your interface will now appear more condensed, allowing you to view more content at once without unnecessary clutter. Enjoy your optimized browsing experience. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with friends who might benefit from compact mode too.